Hey, welcome back guys. I got sent this double parachute hammock from TNH Outdoors and just want to go over whether you should purchase this one or not. Now, right out the gate, the initial quality is really high, and it does come with a set of accessories as well. The tree straps being some really high quality ones too that have the little nice holes in them. So in my opinion, that makes setting it up go a little bit easier and a little bit quicker. So no problems whatsoever with the overall build quality or the initial setup. And this is a parachute hammock, and again, like I said, a double, so it's a little bit bigger than what I'm accustomed to using. And the double size is noticeable, so maybe if you have a lot of insulation, if you really are using two people, yeah, you could definitely fit two people from the inside. Now, here's what it looks like when you hop in. Really comfortable, just your classic hammock feel. Now, there is one problem though that I would cause you to go with the Honest Outfitters hammock, and I've also reviewed that one as well, over this one. It's the carabiner. The carabiner on this one has sharp, jagged edges that over time will actually wear down on the tree straps. Now, that's just something I don't want wearing down, so I can't actually recommend this product. I'd say go with the Honest Outfitters for about the same price instead.